What is Basemon Coin and how does it work? Welcome back guys. In this video, we'll share with you everything that you need to know about Basemon Coin and what Basemon is trying to accomplish with the crypto payment system. So if you are an investor or thinking to invest in crypto, make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's jump right into it. Basemon Coin, BMC, is a decentralized cryptocurrency coin built on its own blockchain and powers Basemon Ecosystem. Basemon is a blockchain payment technology founded to make digital payment solutions seamless for everyone. It leverages blockchain technology to facilitate digital payments and aims to revolutionize digital currency payment ecosystem. Basemon is a derivative of the words base money, short form of base and money. The project was founded to make digital payment solutions seamless for everyone, thus solving the current challenges associated with digital currency solutions, which include lack of safety, unreliability, slow transaction speed, and expensive cost of transactions due to many intermediaries. Basemon uses blockchain technology to redefine digital payment systems by enabling secure, faster, cheaper, and hassle-free transactions for peerless decentralized financial systems. We not only seek to build a mutually beneficial, long-lasting relationship with users and consumers through cost-effective, tech-enabled solutions, but the Basemon blockchain is also designed to enable easy integration with other applications, all geared towards providing seamless payment solutions for mass adoption. The evolution of digital payment has been dramatic over the last few years with the peaking of the internet economy. Fintech companies have been working to bring technology to the people, collaborating with financial institutions and governments to inspire change in the payment landscape. However, the emergence of blockchain technology has opened even more possibilities, and organizations and innovators look to shift from the traditional centralized digital payment systems to new payment models powered by decentralized currencies. Basemon is designed to continue with the trend of shifting the world to a cashless economy through blockchain technology that is fast, cheap, secure, and convenient. Basemon blockchain, based on proof of work (POW) consensus method and NIST-5 algorithm, is designed to be fast, secure, and cheaper than the major blockchain networks such as Bitcoin. With its native cryptocurrency, Basemon Coin, BMC, the network will enable merchants and consumers to interact directly without any intermediary. Blockchain technology has the potential to facilitate efficient, transparent, secure, and cost-effective transactions than the current centralized systems. Leveraging blockchain is aimed at reducing cost, eliminating processing layers, intermediaries, faster transaction time, and ensuring more secure transactions. Therefore, Basemon is built to be all-inclusive and accessible to the masses, eliminating fraud, and enabling multiple forms 0F financial collaborations between consumers and merchants. So leave a comment about your thoughts on Basemon Coin, and let us know if you have any queries. By the way, major announcement and updates coming soon, so keep in touch. You can follow them on their website and social media networks to get regular updates. Also make sure to subscribe the channel and turn the notification bell on. Thanks for watching.